Kling just released an all-in-one AI video image model, and this is going to shake up the generative AI world really fast. It's called a unified multi-model video model. Basically, it can generate videos just like all the other AI video models, but then it can take a video as a reference and up to 7 images as reference, and then use natural language to iteratively edit your footage endlessly, all the while keeping everything else perfect and consistent. There are endless possibilities and so many interesting use cases. Now it does lack the cinematic realism you get from models like VO3, so if you are generating visuals purely for realism and polished, models like VO3 and Sora 2 and even WAN 2.5 will usually look better than Kling 1. But Kling 1 absolutely excel in subject consistency and iteration, and that's where it's become really powerful. You can access Kling O1 through Higgsfield using the first link in the description. If you join now, you will get unlimited generation for a limited time. You can also access it through Kling's own website, which I have also linked below. Their interface is much more specialized for Kling O1's features, but personally, I prefer Higgsfield because it integrates Kling O1's strength into complete AI filmmaking workflow. And yes, we will release a video soon breaking down this whole workflow and how Kling O1 fits into it. When you open Higgsfield, you will notice there are two Kling O1 models, Kling O1 Video and Kling O1 Image. The image model is essentially an image generation and editing tool. Quality-wise, it sits somewhere between Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. It has better resolution and quality than Nano Banana, but it lacks the accuracy and it doesn't have an integrated LLM like Gemini 3, which is what makes Nano Banana Pro stand out. For example, you can see that Kling image model struggle with text accuracy compared to Nano Banana Pro. But overall image quality and prompt adherence are better than base Nano Banana model. Now coming back to Kling Video, this is where things get really interesting. Here are some of the best demos that Kling published themselves. You can upload up to 7 images by giving a picture of a girl and some accessories and then referring them in the prompt with clear instruction on how to arrange them. You will get results like this. It's perfect for UGC content. You can also define elements using up to 4 images from different angles and a short description. Then you can generate product showcases videos that looks incredibly polished. The same applies to people. Upload few images, define a character as an element, and you can generate full storyboard style videos. Then there's iterative editing. You can start with a video, add snow using a reference image, then a cat made out of stone, and add a drink and then prompt the cat to pick it up and then replace the drink with an ice cream. The possibilities are basically endless. Content removal is another highlight. This is one of my personal favorites. Starting from this original video, you can remove the pedestrians, that's already impressive, but you can keep going. Remove the street lamps, person and the horses, and eventually the entire carriage. And you can also replace elements as much as you want while keeping everything else perfectly consistent. Even fine details like hair color adjust flawlessly. You can also create camera angles for your reference video, from the best long shot to a medium shot, close up, extreme close up, just by prompting. This makes AI filmmaking an absolute breeze. You can take any shot and change the background seamlessly, from city street to ancient ruins to completely different countries. And finally, you can change the style of a video from one style to another without breaking the consistency. Alright, let's walk through the process and the key things that you need to know about Kling O1 Video. For this workthrough, we are using Higgsfield because it makes sense when you are working in a fully integrated AI filmmaking workflow. It keeps everything connected, smooth, and way easier to manage. From the navigation menu, select Kling O1 Edit. Once you are in this section, you will notice that you are specifically in the Edit Video area because that's exactly what this model is built for. Yes, you can generate videos here if you really want to, but that's not what this tool is designed to do. Its real power is in editing videos with consistency. Also, as of now, there is no switching between models in editing because only Kling O1 has this unique workflow. Alright, in the interface, you can upload a video between 3 to 10 second duration. up to 2K resolution with maximum file size of 200 MB. So if you are generating videos specifically to edit inside Kling 1, try to have them in 2K. That gives you a cleanest and the smoothest workflow. When it comes to images or elements, you can technically upload up to 7 images as long as they are under 300 pixel resolution and 10 MB each. But if you are uploading a reference video, that limit drops to 4, just something to keep in mind. Now let's talk about elements. This isn't a new concept in AI tool, but Kling's prompting system make them so much easier to work with. Here's how it works. You can upload up to 4 images for a single element. One frontal shot of the face or the main features directly facing the camera, and then there are 3 more shots from different angles. Give the element a simple yet sensible name. This actually matters a lot because it makes your prompts cleaner and easier to read later, and that becomes specifically important when you are doing iterative editing. Then you can write a short, direct description of the key features of that element. Nothing too complicated, just keep it under 100 characters. In this example, they define 2 elements, a 3D animated cat in a banana costume and an Asian girl. Then in the prompt, it simply says the camera follows the banana cat, strolls through the street of Tokyo, encounters the Asian girl and jumps on her arms. That's it. Hit generate and we get this. The cat is spot on and the girl looks very close to the character that we define. And yes, you will see some quality issues and morphing, especially in the background character, but the consistency is undeniably impressive. And you can continue to generate different scenes as much as you like with good consistency. Now, next up, let's talk about the auto setting toggle. It's a subtle but important one. When auto setting is off, Kling treats a video you upload as a reference to create a new video. Think of it like generating the next shot or the previous shot of a scene, or even reusing the camera movement from your reference video to a new one. In this mode, you control the duration and the aspect ratio of the output. When auto setting is on, Kling will transform the original video itself based on your prompt. That means changing the background, restyling the entire scene, adjusting the weather, basically giving your video a new look while keeping the motion consistent. So depending on what you are trying to do, either to create a new shot or to modify the existing one, make sure you toggle auto setting on or off intentionally. Now, even though prompting in Kling 1 is surprisingly simple, if you plan to write long or complex prompt, there is a basic structure that you can follow. It is mentioned clearly in Kling 1 user guide. It's a really great article to refer to. Link is also in the description and we extracted the structure into a simple summary note. It includes templates for text to video, element reference, transformation, and video reference prompts. You can grab it for free from the first link through our school community. And if you copy paste that into ChatGPT, you can get the ChatGPT to write prompts for you, which is pretty neat.